When it comes to tips in cooking soup, we make different types of soups. We can make a tomato soup, you can make a pumpkin soup, we can make a chicken soup. So many variety of soup you can make. Not only making the soup, you can have all the vegetables. A vegetable soup also you can make. Boil and make the soup nicely, adding all the seasoning. I am sure you know how to make the soup. When you are making the soup, there's a small problem. Sometimes it's watery. When it comes watery, what are we going to do? That's the main thing, Then what you do is, it has become watery and I don't know what to do with. Boil a potato, mash it up, add to the mixture and then you boil again, it will become thick. It becomes thick. Otherwise, take a quarter cup of water or little milk, quarter cup milk, and you take 1 teaspoon of corn flour, mix it nicely and pour into the mixture and boil again. It will become thick. Both ways you can do. Either you put the potato, boil mashed potato, or quick way of doing is the corn flour. You can use either corn flour or the potato. So you can try it out and see. You will be amazed because when we start cooking, sometimes you can't call your mama and ask, no, how to cook this and what is happening into this. Okay, you have. Take the phone and you can always see my recipes and you could always remember all the tips are given and then you can try it out and see how it comes, because soup is something that is very, very important, very useful for all of us, because soup for the night is very good and you can have with a toast bread or you can have with a garlic bread and with a salad you can have this soup. It's very nice. So thick soup has to be a little thick, isn't it? So this is how you make it thicker, and little milk is good lastly to add, and a little mashed potato, or you put the corn flour. That's how you make it and you will be amazed. And the other thing is, you see my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You will get many more recipes of mine so that you will be really happy to make all these dishes. Try it out and see and you will be really happy. Thank you.